Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E7i Power, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Motorola. First of all, in the access menu and find calendar, then tap on it and click on the month above. From here, pick a date by tapping on the chosen one, and when you're ready, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. From here, select event and customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting hour and ending one, or turn off this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day. You can also add location, change color, and even set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event. When you're ready, click done, add description, and for example video or people from your contact book. When you're done, select save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always delete it though by clicking on it, tapping on these three dots at the top right corner and selecting delete. Then confirm your choice by tapping on delete one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!